Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, get ready for new and outstanding crochet toys. Today we brought something special for you, so just give me only some time to watch this video. Don't scroll this video because this video is going to give you everything whatever you want to provide to your kids. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Don't forget to press bell icon. Also, share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Here are some creative descriptions for crochet toys. A soft, huggable bear with stitched features perfect for snuggling and storytelling. Playful bunny. This floggy and bunny is ready for adventures, complete with the tiny crotch accessories. With 8 colors, tentacles with friendly octopus is perfect for imaginative ocean play. Cheerful dinosaur. A bright green dino with a spiky back sure to spark joy in any little one's heart. Charming fox. This crafty fox features a bushy tail and vibrant color, making it a delightful companion. Sleepy moon. A cozy sleepy moon with a sleepy face, perfect for nighttime cuddles and sweet dreams. Cute caterpillar with bright segments and smile faces. This caterpillar will inspire curiosity and creativity. A fulfilled line with a majestic mane ready to roar into action during playtime. Here are some benefits also for crochet toys we would like to discuss with you. Safe materials made from natural fibers like cotton and wool. Crochet toys are often free from harmful chemicals. Customizable. They can be tailored in size, color, and design, making them unique and personal. Soft and cuddly. The texture of crochet toys is gentle on a child's skin, perfect for cuddling. Encourages imaginative play. Crochet toys can inspire creative storytelling and imaginative sceneries. Durability. With proper care, crochet toys can last for years, making them a long-lasting companion. Handmade charm. Each toy has a unique handcrafted quality that adds sentimental value. Eco-friendly. Many crochet toys are made from sustainable materials, making them an environmentally choice. Lightweight. Easy for little hand to hold and carry around, promoting mobility during play. Developmental benefits. Encourages fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination through play. Stress relief. For adults, crocheting toys can be a calming and therapeutic hobby. Ideal for children with allergies, as they can be made from unique and special materials. Promotes natural behavior. Children can learn empathy and care by playing with soft toys. versatile, suitable for various ages for infants to older children depending on the design. Unique gift. Handmade crochet toys make thoughtful personalized gift for special occasions. Dear viewers, I am very thankful for your love. You are always writing some comments. Really, I am always looking for your beautiful comment about my videos collection. So in this video also you have to give too much comments for me. I will be very thankful for that. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. So keep in touch with our channel. We will go through together. Thank you very much for watching.